Mr. Chairman.
The major shareholders of TIL who hold a collective stake of 76% are provided below. Mr. UD Jayawardena, Mr. MJMN Marikkar, Mr. RK Pitigalage, Mr. DA J Nanayakara, Mr. S. Annasiwatta, Mr. HT Chaminda, Mr.
Put him Marik Davaradar Marika.
Jayawardena Marikkar, Pitigalage,
Arakattimai.
Nanayakara, Annasiwatta, Chaminda, Ranjan, LNS Pereira, S. Ganegoda, Vikrama Varnakula Surya, HMT Bandara, R. Padberiya,
There were
Anantavel.
two Padmerias here. Are you from the same family? Huh? The two Padmerias?
මෙතනින් ආර් පත්බේරී
අර පද්මේරියගේ නෑවද?
රුක්ෂිත.
ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ නෑකමක් තියනවද? right. අනිත් පද්මේරියත් දැන් මේ ෂෙයාර්හෝල්ඩර් පද්මේරියත් එක්ක කවුරුත් සම්බන්ධද? You are that Padmeriya. Right, okay.
ඊළඟ Mr. M. Anantavel, SWSAB Bulan Kulama, DVT Jayat. 15 ඉන්නවා. මේ දැන් මෙහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් මතුවෙනවා. The major shareholders of TIL who hold a collective stake of 76% are provided below කියලා තමයි නම් 15 තියෙන්නේ. මේක මම ගන්නේ ඔබතුමන්ලා මේ පහුගිය අවුරුද්දේ මේ ඉදිරිපත් කරපු ලේඛනයෙන් IPO එකට ඉදිරිපත් කරපු ලේඛනයෙන්. හරි? එතකොට right. දැන් අතන තිබුණේ ට්‍රස්ට් එකක් නේ. හරි. ට්‍රස්ට් එක කන්වර්ට් වෙනවා කම්පැනි එකට. මම යෝජනා කරනවා ඔබ කිසිම දෙයක් ගෙවලා තිබුණේ නැහැ 2017 මේක කන්වර්ට් වෙනකනුත් මේ ට්‍රස්ට් එක පිහිටුවේ අරමුණ ඇතුලේ හිටපු සේවකයන්ට. හැබැයි මේක කන්වර්ට් කරාට පස්සේ මේ ඩිවිඩන්ඩ්ස් ගෙවනවා.
Mr. Marika. Mr. Marika. No, not you. Mr. Marika.
You are not. Yes.
Yes, please. Can you ask this?
You switch off your mic.
Yeah.
Let Mr. Marik answer.
If you permit, I can ask him to explain it well.
No.
Right?
You explain.
We are looking at your answer.
This
Because
conversion
you're part of the...
trusted to the company because of certain reasons. When, as he was explained, that we were going out and we were trying to take loans, and there was a requirement to find out who were the ultimate beneficiary. There was a decision taken by the trustees and the board to convert this trust into a limited liability company. And for that, the lawyers were appointed. The appointed lawyers of the FGD Serums were appointed. And they went through the trust ordinance. According to the trust ordinance, it was done. And the share distribution was done by Ernst & Young. They did the employee share ownership trust mechanism. Based on that, the share transfers are done. That was done by the two independent parties. That was the equity-linked compensation plans was designed by, done by the ENY. That is how the shares were distributed among the members who were there at that time.
It was 2017, right?
It was 2017, yeah.
Members there in the sense, members
who were the permanent employees by then.
ඒ වෙලාවේ ආයතනයේ හිටපු permanent සේවකයන්ව අතර shares බෙදනවා කියලා තීරණයක් ගත්තා 2017 දී.
That's right.
2017යි ඔබතුමන්ලා මේක ගත්තනේ ණයක් අර මිලියන 1.67ක් නේ?
Oh.
එන්නේ ඒ
6 million shares.
6 million shares. Yeah. 1.6 million shares. ඒ shares අරගත්තේ ණයටනේ.
Oh.
ඒ ණය ගෙවලා ඉවරුනේ කවද්ද?
That's not me.
2009.
2009. 2005.
2007.
Can you please?
Yeah.
7 you settled. So 2001 to 2007 ඔගොල්ලෝ පේ කරමින් හිටියා මේ ගත්ත ණය. එතකොට 2007 ඉඳන් 2017 වෙනකන් මේ ෂෙයාර්ස් සේවකයන් අතර බෙදනවා කියලා තීන්දුව ගන්නකම් අතර කාලයේදී ඔගොල්ලෝ ලාභ ලැබුවා. ලාභ ලබන්න ඇති. ඒක ඩික්ලෙයාර් කරන්න ඇති අර ට්‍රස්ට් එකට. ඒ ගැන තොරතුරු මෙතනට කියන්නකෝ.
ගරු මන්ත්‍රීතුමා ඒකෙදී ඒ කාලය ඇතුළත දැන්
sorry again Mr. Dhammika, your position
I am Deputy CEO Operations.
operations for LTL.
LTL Holdings. yes.
Holdings, okay.
Yeah.
Who's the CEO? Who's the CEO?
CEO, Ms.
So let CEO answer it.
Yes.
Why are you always
I think he's more conversant
No,
with the
no,
subject.
no. Let, the CEO,
No, you are the
we want
responsible
you to,
person.
you're the main person. We want to come that to come from you, please. Because were you a trustee? The deputy CEO, were you a trustee in that?
None of us were the trustees.
We were none of us were trustees, but I know a bit of information. That's why I wanted to present it. With your permission, may I?
No, we need proper answer from the proper authority.
The authority, no.
So I agree with the honorable member. So please, Mr. Marika.
I am Deputy CEO and a Director. May I?
No, please.